How to send GIFs in direct messages on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to make your chat more interactive by sending GIFs on TikTok. I'll show you how. Let's get started. Open up your TikTok app. Go to inbox at the bottom. Open up the conversation where you want to send the GIF, and then you need to tap on the circle with eyes like icon on the very bottom right corner, and then now you need to go to the search icon. Here you'll find all of the trending gifs that you can send, or you can even search for it. So once you're done, you can just tap on it and then send it. It's as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.